Yo, what's good producers? It's your boy Mikasa here, and in this video I'm about to show you how we can make some super fine drums, how to easy make like a 8/8 and kick sound to kick hard. It's really simple. It's really like just a few ways, and let's get started. So as you can see, I just opened FL Studio right now. As you can see, and I'm about to open my beat that I did today, and I'm about to show you what I did here. It's really simple, nothing too much. First of all, let me turn off these effects here. So these effects are stock effects. So as you can see, I already turned them off. So let's hear it. So this is the beat without these effects. So this is the beat. Now, this is what I did here. I used a multi-band compressor here, and I used this maximize preset. So you click here, presets, you click maximize. And after that, you click here, and already you have applied limiter here. So you then have to add an additional one. And let's hear it right now. Now 8/8 kicks 8/8 hit much harder. So this is the 8/8 pattern. It's really simple. So as you can see, nothing that much, nothing goes crazy like those crazy 8/8s. This one is really simple. Okay, so now what I added next is this Fruity EQ2, and I boosted this middle between low mid and mid frequencies around, as you can see here. So why I did here, why I did do this, because this one can help you again make your edit kick harder, and this is gonna help you to be like more effective on the mobile phones, mobile devices, or maybe low quality headphones or speakers or whatever. So let's hear it right now. As you can see, it's really simple. I also merge it, make it mono as the kick one, of course. But now let's hear all the 8/8s. So as you can see, 8/8 is now really powerful even without the kick. Now let's compare now without and with. So this is without the effects. It hits, but not that hard. Now with this, much better. So as you can see, it was really simple, really quick tutorial how you can give your kick and 8/8 much more power. So let me repeat. So this is the multi-band compressor. So click here, replace, and I think it's gonna be right here. Yeah, dynamics. You got here, Fruity multi-band compression. It's stock plugin for FL Studio, and also Fruity Parametric EQ2. Click replace. So you got filter, and you see Fruity Parametric EQ. You can do this by using every EQ you wanna use. I just use this stock plugin. So okay, I replaced it. So let's do this a little bit. But now, not every 8/8 is the same. So you gotta play with. So you have to like maybe play around with it. But that's pretty much it. It was really simple. It gives much power to your beats, and that's pretty much it. So let's hear it one more time. So that's gonna be it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something. It was a really quick tutorial. Feel free to tell me in the comments. Make sure you subscribe, like, and stuff like that. I hope I helped you, and if you have some video ideas that you want me to help you, feel free to tell me. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye.